This electric cooker with ceramic hob from Zanussi is a great addition to your kitchen if you're looking for a model with plenty of cooking space and clever technology. Both ovens have an A rating for energy efficiency. The main electric fan oven has a large 77-litre capacity, whereas the second oven has a medium-sized 39-litre capacity. There are 4 zones on the hob, ranging from 2 different sizes. This means there's loads of room for flexibility when cooking. The hob has a ceramic finish, which makes it really easy to keep clean. Because the surface is so smooth, any food splashes can be easily wiped away once the cooking zones have cooled down, meaning you'll spend less time cleaning and more time cooking amazing food. Zanussi's innovative catalytic technology helps to keep your oven clean while you use it. Special liners on the walls absorb and dissolve any food splatters, which can then be easily wiped away. Now you can spend less money on cleaning products and more time enjoying those delicious pasta bakes. If you're looking for a spacious cooker with ceramic hob that has clever technology, this electric model from Zanussi is a great choice.